Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. My name's Trent with All Things Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2020 Ford F-150 Super Crew in the Lariat trim. Clean Carfax, one owner, just under 33,000 miles, and a beautiful black exterior here. This particular model is going to feature a 2.7 liter V6 engine. So we're going to walk around the truck, show you some of the features and advantages and benefits of owning this vehicle. Starting in the front here, as you can see, looks like you have some LED and halogen headlights here, followed up by some nice bright fog lights down below. Tow hooks integrated into the lower bumper fascia. Nice chrome grille insert here. You have your large sections here, and then you have your almost billet style up here, so it breaks up the front really nice. Very nice front end here on this Ford Lariat. Okay, nice alloy wheel wrapped in a Goodyear brand tire. Plenty of meat left on these tires here, as you can see. We'll get to the exact tread depth here in just 1 second. Going up top here, as you can see, there's your F-150 and your Lariat badging. A couple things on the Lariat that you're going to receive here. You do have turn signal indicators integrated in your mirror cap, and you do have passive door entry here with the use of your key fobs, and you will receive 2 for your added convenience. Let's check out this interior. I'm a big fan here. On the door card, let's start off. Got your chrome door handles, brushed aluminum, chrome accents, and then you have your faux wood grain right there. So very nice on the door card, and that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of the vehicle. As you can see here on the passenger dash, you have your nice leather and your stitching right here. Beautiful black leather seats all the way around, and you will get powered options on the passenger and your driver's seat. I wanted to mention as well, you have Husky liners throughout the entire truck, and you will have the option to have the bench seat here, or this is going to fold down for some extra storage and cup holders, as you can see, and it's going to even go down below for some extra storage. So you have a lot of nice storage options. Like I said, you can fold that down for the middle armrest and cup holders too. Let's work our way around the truck, guys. This is the very spacious crew cab truck here, guys. Husky liners continue back here. You have some nice storage options on the back of the passenger and the driver's seat, and there's your middle console that will flip down. On the back here, you can see you're going to have a flip down right here, and these cup holders are going to come out like so. So armrest and cup holders there if you need them. Fold them up if you don't. Again, nice leather, white stitching, beautiful interior here, very clean. Sharp looking truck here, guys. Now this is a short bed here, as you can see. Let's go around and take a look. Backup camera, there's your light for your cargo. It is set up to tow with your 7-pin and 4-pin wiring right there. There's your receiver hitch, locking tailgate. You do have a drop-in bed liner here, pretty clean. Looks like they didn't use the bed a lot. Even up top here is pretty clean here, guys. Working our way up the driver's side. Fueling is right on the driver's side here. The door card continues back here with the faux wood grain chrome accents. One thing I like about this, seats do fold up for extra storage down below. As you can see, you can put tools, whatever you'd like back here. Definitely a lot of room. You'd be super comfortable back here. I know I would be if I was a passenger in this vehicle. You do have a keypad outside, so you can access, lock and unlock the truck with your keypad there. Let's check out the door card on the driver's side here. So you have your adjustable tow mirrors there, and then you have powered windows, powered locks, then you have memory seating. You have 3 driver profiles right there, and then there's all your power options on your driver's seat. Before I hop in and start it up, a couple things to go over here. You do have your electronic e-brake right here, pedal adjustment, which is really nice in the Lariat trim. Lamp selector right here with brightness and dimming controls for your center clusters, fog lights, and a cargo lamp. So let's hop up and check it out. All right, guys, let's take a look at the key fobs here. You will receive 2 for your added convenience, as always, at All Things Automotive. You have your lock, unlock, and panic button there. Pretty straightforward. Nice construction from Ford on this key fob. So just push button to start, put my foot on the brake. Nice welcome graphics from Ford here. 32,720. Just right under 33,000 miles here, guys. All right, a couple things I want to go over here. You have a control pad for your center clusters. to display all kinds of different information. Cruise control right here. There are some of your audio options right here. And you do have the capability to be hands-free right here. There's your phone buttons right here, voice command, and there's your mute button. So you can be hands-free for your safety. Let's take a look at this shifter right here, guys. You do have your manual shift mode right here. And up top here, you're gonna have your drive mode. So I'm gonna go through those right there. You have normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, and sport. So a lot of nice driving capabilities here on this F-150 Lariat. Four-wheel drive selector right here, pretty easy, right at your fingertips. Up top here, you're gonna have your traction control off, 4 ways, auto start and stop, and then you're gonna have your lane keep assist right here. So that's a nice option as well. Infotainment center here, nice large touchscreen display. Let's check out the backup camera. Nice clean and clear display on the backup camera here, guys. Okay, working our way down to some media buttons and some radio functions right here with your tune. All the way down to the climate control. Now your climate control you can access on the screen or down here, and you will receive vented seats and heated seats as well. So that's a nice feature. I have my vented seats on right now and I can feel them. Got 3 levels on each. Just push to select your comfort level and you're good to go. Down below here, guys, you have some you have a 12 volt and 2 USBs right here to stay connected. Nice little storage here, probably for your key fob. Up top, I want to show you guys, you do have a lighted vanity, very bright LED vanity on the driver's side. You do have a back sliding glass here, so that's a nice feature as well. Okay, all your LED map lights right here. You do have some nice storage for your sunglasses up top. Okay, looks like you have a lighted vanity on the passenger side as well. There's another 12 volt right there. And like I said, this middle is going to come down and you're going to have some cup holders, some nice storage as well. Can't seem to access the latch right here. I got one hand, so just bear with me here. But the headliner is free of any rips or stains or anything like that. Just an awesome interior here, guys. In the last portion of the video, I'll go over any cosmetic issues. There's not really anything to go off of on the inside. The inside is very clean, no odors. Definitely was a non-smoker vehicle. Very spacious. I feel super comfortable in these nice leather seats, and yeah, I wouldn't mind taking this for a vacation. All right, guys, let's take a look at the V6 engine here. 2.7 liter V6 engine. Like I said, clean Carfax, 1 owner. Hood release is going to be located bottom left here. Make sure that's in park. That's telling us the hood is ajar. Just a really sharp looking truck here, guys. Here. There we go. Alright guys, as you can see, nice clean engine bay. And as you can see, it is free of any exhaust or oil leaks or anything like that. Nice healthy sounding V6 engine here, guys. 2.7 liter. It's going to offer fuel efficiency. It's going to have the pep that you need to in this size truck. I think you won't be disappointed for sure. I'm going to go ahead and shut the truck off at this point, and we're going to go over the last portion of the video here, guys. And this is where I walk around and show you any dents, dings, imperfections this vehicle may have. Starting in the front here, normal wear and tear. Boy, those are some bright LEDs there. As I go along here, stone chips on the hood. Nothing crazy. You really have to get up on it to pick anything out, but other than that, looks very clean. No curb rash on the wheel. Like I said, tires are like new, which I don't think I showed you the used car mechanical check sheet, and I'll do that right now. Small blemish there by the antenna. Mirror cap looks good. All the way down to the rockers, everything looks good. Not a lot to go off on this truck, guys. It's pretty clean. In the interior here, I did mention that it was pretty clean, but I did want to mention some wear and tear on the grab bars here by the door handle. So Nothing crazy. Okay, this is our used car mechanical check sheet, guys. And for those of you who are new, you can find these in the glove box of all of our vehicles here at All Things Automotive. So the tires are 12/32 all the way around. Brake pads are good to go, along with a fresh oil change, new cabin air filter, fresh PA state inspection, and a top to bottom detail just for you. I love the interior in this truck. Super comfortable. All right, again, wear and tear here on the grab bar here. As you can see, just some fading. It's about the only issue inside here, guys. Still have your protectors there on the cab corners. Wheel well looks good. No curb rash on this wheel. Like I said, it didn't look like they used the bed a lot. The bed's in really good shape. Drop-in bed liner is secured and in very good shape. Back bumper looks good. No discoloration on any of the trim or the chrome. Working our way up here again. No curb rash on this wheel. Cab corners are good. Rockers are good. Pretty clean vehicle here, guys. So I don't really have much else to say about it other than this speaks for itself. Beautiful black exterior here, nice gloss-like finish. So if you have any questions, give us a call here, 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. Or go to All Things Automotive, shop online 24/7. Get yourself pre-approved and make sure, guys, you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage because this truck does qualify. Or come out to 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. Hope you found this video informational. Thank you and have a blessed day.